Hello, Year 7, and welcome to Lesson 3, which is about photosynthesis. Learning question, how do plants make their own food? What I'd like you to do for this Do It Now is draw a simple sketch of a plant in your book. It could be something as simple as a daisy or a tulip. So just so you've got the flower part, the stem, at least one leaf, and the roots, okay? And I want you to label those 4 parts. This is the Do It Now, a very simple sketch, okay? And we will go ahead and label those parts onto your plant. Please use straight arrows when you are labeling, and you will get these parts labeled on your picture. What we're going to do just now is explain how by the end of the lesson you will be able to describe how animals and plants produce energy. We're going to do this in a variety of ways, which include a small presentation and a couple of videos. Some thinking for learning questions and some practice tasks. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do the practicals, we're not in school, but you will finish off with a number of other different tasks. What I'd like you to do is put the subheading, plants, onto your piece of paper and have a think with either just on your own or with family and friends. What do plants need to grow? So what 2 things do you think plants need to grow? One of them they can get from being outside, nice and bright, and something else you probably know that plants need. You'll be able to describe and establish what do the roots do. Okay, so 2 jobs that the roots do. Pause the video, have a little think, and we'll go through with the responses to these questions. So for the plants to grow, they need 2 things. They need water, okay, they need water, and they need sunlight. However, there's another couple of things they need. They need a chemical called chlorophyll, and they need a gas. You might be able to remember what gas they need, and it's 2 words, carbon dioxide. The roots, they provide water from the soil and nutrients from the soil, but they also anchor the plant down. So the roots are normally as big as you can see in that diagram. They are almost as big as the plant, okay? And tree roots, they are massive underneath the tree to hold the plant down. This is a red box, so I'd like you to pause the video and write the red box, okay? There's the symbols for the words there. Carbon dioxide symbol is CO2 and water symbol is H2O. What I'd like you to do is write those down, okay? We're going to establish the 4 things that are needed for photosynthesis. We've had a little talk about it, but I'd like you to write these beside and draw a little picture to help you to remember. It's very important. You could draw the carrot under the ground just there. Okay, so the carrot with its leaves for photosynthesis above. Inside the leaves is a chemical inside the chloroplasts, and this is a very important chemical which allows photosynthesis to take place. This is called chlorophyll. So you could label that onto the leaf of your carrot, okay, and say it's inside the chloroplasts. They need a gas, and you could label that going in, which is carbon dioxide. They also need water, and most importantly, sunlight. So Year 7, we're going to watch this video just now. Okay, year 7, so it's really important that you write down this word equation just here, and the missing word in here you need to fill in is chlorophyll. So around the outside, the green parts of the plant in the chloroplast is chlorophyll. Pause the video and write this word equation. Here we will see you can label up on your plant chlorophyll is inside the chloroplast. So the word that you need to write is here. Chlorophyll, the chemical, is inside the chloroplast in the leaves, and you can add these labels to your diagram. The little arrows show what's coming out, glucose and oxygen, same as your word equation. You'll add these diagrams, these labels to your diagram, okay, and then you will answer these questions. Pause the video and answer these questions. The answers are just here, okay? And write the answers and give yourself a mark. The second part of this video will be recorded separately. There was a problem recording this earlier, so I do apologise, and there'll be a separate link.